Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be installing and reviewing the RAC R3000 HD Premium Dash Cam. Having good surveillance in your car is becoming a crucial part to collecting evidence of accidents while on the road. These windscreen mounted cameras come in many different forms, from small low resolution cameras to wide frame 1080p smart cameras with an array of useful features. This dash cam from RAC sits on the top end of the range, recording your everyday drives in full 1080p resolution with a 140-degree wide lens, so everything you can see through the windscreen the camera can see too. On the back of the camera you'll find a large 3-inch display that makes it easy to see a clear picture of what your dash cam is recording without having to take it off the mount. On the left along the edge you'll find a micro SD slot for capturing and storing data, and 3 buttons that allow you to bring up the menu and navigate through the settings. On the right edge you'll find 4 more buttons. The OK button helps you to select options from the menu, the M button lets you play back any saved videos, the lock button stops any accidental wiping of data and disable other button functions, and the last button allows you to turn the device on and off when needed. Inside the box you'll find everything you need to set up your dash cam in the car. It comes with a 16GB micro SD card, an extra long 4-meter cable, a USB power adapter, a windscreen mount, and an instruction manual. Setting it up couldn't be any easier. To start, plug in the micro USB into the top of the camera, insert the SD card into the port on the side and power on the device. Make sure the card is formatted and everything is working as it should be. Attach the camera to the mount by fitting the slot on the camera into the fitting on the mount like so. Now take the suction cup and apply it to the windscreen just behind the wing mirror with the camera facing outwards. Now lock the suction cup into place and make sure it's secure before adjusting the camera position so it can see the road clearly. Finally, plug the USB end into the adapter to fit into the 12-volt socket in the car. The cable is long enough so you can fit it around the windscreen so it's not obstructing your view or getting in the way of the gears. Now your dash cam should be ready to go. If you simply want to capture the road, then there's nothing more you need to do, but it's great to know the other convenient features that make this dash cam a premium asset for your car. As with most dash cams, this camera begins recording as soon as the engine starts, so if you're involved in an accident moments after setting off, you know you're always covered. This dash cam works by recording at intervals throughout your journey in either 1-minute, 3-minute or 5-minute clusters. Recording in high quality is a must when documenting every detail of an incident. RAC have fitted this camera with many customizable features. These can allow you to adjust the exposure and white balance to match light conditions, change resolution if you don't have much space on your memory card, or format your card to clear space and enable or disable indication sounds. As mentioned on the box, it comes with an inbuilt G sensor. This detects the movement around the car and automatically begins recording in the event of a collision on the road. It also comes with a parking mode that, when enabled, begins recording as it senses an impact while the engine is off and the car is parked. This is great for catching parking collisions in public car parks or protecting your car on the street outside your home, even when you're not around, for peace of mind when finding the culprit of the damage to your car. An additional bonus feature is the shock collision sensor that automatically saves and locks any file that corresponds to the date and time of the accident. Even if you need to, you can set a date stamp to save each file as a reference in a dispute. Of course, with this dash cam you can further customize what you record with the loop recording feature. Enabling this lets your dash cam overwrite old files and record new ones, so when your card is full it will automatically delete the oldest file to allow room for the most recent without needing to manually erase each clip. On top of this, you can control how long the camera records at a time by selecting a record duration of 1, 3 or 5 minutes in the loop recording menu. Overall, this dash cam offers a lot of great features that protect you and your car in the event of an accident. Whether it's keeping an eye on your car while you're away or capturing your side of a nasty collision, this dash cam keeps you covered all year round. And though it's not the cheapest on the market, it's a brilliant investment when it comes to protecting your car from the worst. If you enjoyed this video, check out our channel for more great tech reviews and mobile accessory news. And if you want to keep up to date, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest in smartphone tech. Thanks for watching.